let me present you what we do at Anchor Point specifically. What is our offer? So let's jump into the demo that we usually present to the customers who want to work with us. So part of our Trios protocol is the OpsOS software that is similar to a CRM, ERP, your back office tools. So if you're in a situation where your operations are scattered everywhere, so your data lives across 7 different tools, spreadsheets, email, CRMs, or even sticky notes or some file folders. If you do a lot of manual calculations that eat hours, so when you do your commission calculation, invoicings, estimates, those things that consume a lot of time and are mistake prone, when you don't really have real-time visibility into your project health, you have dozens of spreadsheets that nobody trusts, your teams that do processes in very different ways, and so the output quality isn't very consistent, and you often forget payments, missed deadlines. This is what we solve with the OpsOS. It offers you that single source of truth that connects your existing tools, eliminates data silos across your organization. We have a proprietary model that helps you analyze the health of your operations, and those things are industry specific. So we offer multiple integrations into tools that you already use that you might like. So let's say we won't recreate QuickBooks, or we won't recreate things that that are similar to ChatGPT, etc. What we do, we are a big orchestrator of your work. So think about the key principles of a value chain. This is what we do. So we help you in real time find your bottlenecks, track your service level agreements, help you connect to most of your sources. It can be, we can show you the integration that we have. So they're here. We tested Klaviyo, but we have most of the famous CRMs that we can integrate with if you do your lead acquisition there, project management tools, some file system, marketing, design, AI and ML, some automations, so you name it. So then, we serve many industries. Mainly we focus on construction, manufacturing, retail, e-commerce, but we also serve all those people who have never found some specific tool to help them in their very unique way of delivery of their product or delivery of their service. And when I say delivery, is like the whole execution, the operational execution and the operational excellence of making your promise to your customer go from the promise and the signature to the actual satisfaction of your customer. So what we help you to do is use our simple framework of input, process, output, and link those things from lead to cash, so you can execute with quality, speed, and low cost. So we have a lot of different modules then that help you execute for those different industries. So for example, right now we are in retail. What you want usually in retail is manage your suppliers, manage your purchase orders, manage your logistics, your work orders, your inventory, sometimes your calendar, your document fulfillment, etc., etc. And I personally spent the last 10 years working with different technology systems like CRMs, ERPs, etc., working at the biggest company and retail companies and manufacturing companies, and in the last 3 years I was heading analytical initiatives, managing product managers, data analysts, analytics engineers, and what we found that there was that big disconnect between software tools and the insights that you could get out of those tools, specifically focus on the operational excellence. And so that's what we embed into our product too. So predictive analytics, smart automation, AI, recommendations, intelligent alerts, and that's pretty much it. So, if you want to learn more and you are in that situation where you want to save 20 plus hours a week, you want to augment the capacity of your team and avoid mistakes, avoid frustration on the work, and decouple the productivity of your teams, compensate for the lack of that middle management that you might have when it comes to orchestrating different types of work. Let us know. It would be a pleasure to speak with you. What we do is we build this custom software that, for example, like we can show you the purchase orders, how they work, how we manage different work orders or the inventory. So this is just a template. What we take is we take those traditional modules and we fine-tune, tailor-made them for you. So whatever it's your specific naming standards, your color codes, your ways of working, we deploy a team of 2 experts. They listen to your processes and they listen to your teams, and then based on that they create the technology that fits. So we are among the best companies and the first companies to bring the technology and the integration under the same roof. The market currently is really structured around the idea that you will have a huge technology provider like SAP, NetSuite, Odoo, Acumatica, like those big operations and business management software companies, Zoho. And then to integrate those solutions, they'll call for consulting firms who will be implementation experts. They'll try to learn that software and then implement it to you. What differentiates us at Anchor Point is that we have both the control of the technology and the talent who integrates that for you. So it means that when we sell you your personalized system, we can actually deliver in 90 days. And this is now possible thanks to huge advances in AI. So what used to take months to build now can be done in just a few hours. I'm not even joking. It's incredible. And so the biggest bottleneck we had to do this work in the past was, the technology bottleneck, but also the ability to take human imagination and human expertise. And we have the expertise really focused on supply chain, operational excellence. How do you make sure that you take the expectation of your customers and you work backwards? So we have a lot of first principles that we do respect and that we bring to your company to double its value, to make you as the owner work 20 hours a week and still get the best results for your company, make your team happy to come to work and actually love the change because the tool is actually helping them, not making them learn 50,000 buttons for the sake of filling the data into a tool. Thank you for watching. If you want to talk about your specific business, go into the description, book a call with us, and it will be a pleasure that we will see if it's a fit for us to work with you. So just give you an example who our ICP is. It's usually companies who have either services and products in the real economy, so construction, manufacturing, retail, e-commerce, and making, like in the SMB space, so making between $1 to $50 million a year of revenue, and who never found really technology provider or a tool that fits their specific needs, and who wonder if there would be a tool that could do all the things that they want specific to their ways of operating, because that's what differentiates you. So if you feel that there's opportunity to standardize, to streamline, like all this jargon, actually I hate it, but still I say it. So yeah, booking meeting with us, we'll go really in detail. We spend some time listening to what you has to say, how your business works, what doesn't work, and we'll take it from there. So my name is Alexander Carey. You can also find me on LinkedIn. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, and see you in the next one.